Umagang kay ganda sa lahat. Nandito tayo ngayon sa commercial zone. Pupunta tayo sa malaking bahay para kunin yung bugas para atin ibila doon sa plaza. Tara. Doon na guys. Diyan sa may blue, kunin natin yung bigas na atin ibilad. Ayan guys, yan ang atin ibilad, 4 na sakong bigas. Yan, tara na at ibilad natin. Ayan, dyan natin ibilad ang bigas. Ay, sambaran. Tapon na natin guys. Yan, sobrang init guys, tingnan nyo yung araw. Grabe, ang init talaga. Yan, grabe. Tara na at magbilad ng bigas. Yan guys, kunin muna natin yung 4 na sako para mabilad na natin. Yan guys. Yan muna ang na-video ko guys kasi nahihirapan ako sa pag-video eh. Baka ma-full storage ako. Hindi ko na binuo. So ayun, ready to bulad na. So ayan guys, magbibilad na tayo ng bigas guys.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it.
Guys, kiklik na natin guys. At saka nga pala guys, first vlog ko po ito guys. Sana supportahan niyo po ako sa ating vlog. Salamat. Mag-music muna tayo. Music please.
And I'm closing in the night, and there ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here I'm screaming, okay, it's a dream. And I pray as a team, one day it'll be me. If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay, I just visit, have no shame, I admit it. To see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now.
Okay, yan guys. Okay na yan guys. Wala nang trapal. So guys, uwi na tayo guys. Ang init na talaga. Yan guys. Hapon na guys. Babalikan na natin yung binilad kong ano guys. Bugas. Na humay. Yan guys. Yan guys. Wala na siya. Wala na. So, dito na lang. Bye-bye.